Welcome to Famous People A to Z, where we share the extraordinary journeys of remarkable individuals while helping you improve your English skills. Today, we'll explore the inspiring story of Lionel Messi, widely regarded as one of the greatest football players of all time. Let's dive into the life of this iconic athlete and discover how his passion and determination brought him global acclaim. Lionel Andres Messi was born on June 24th, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. He grew up in a humble household with his parents, Jorge and Celia, and three siblings. From a young age, Messi displayed an exceptional talent for football. At just 5 years old, Messi began playing for a local club coached by his father. His skill, speed, and vision on the field quickly made him stand out among his peers. By the time he was 8, Messi joined the youth team of Newell's Old Boys, a prestigious football club in Rosario. However, Messi's journey was not without challenges. At the age of 11, he was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency, a condition that required costly medical treatment. His family struggled to afford the treatments, but they remained determined to support his dreams. In 2000, Messi's talent caught the attention of FC Barcelona, one of the most prestigious football clubs in the world. The club offered to pay for his medical treatment if he moved to Spain and joined their youth academy, La Masia. At just 13 years old, Messi and his family relocated to Barcelona, where he began training with the academy. Despite the cultural and emotional challenges of moving to a new country, Messi remained focused on his passion. Messi's skills flourished at La Masia, and he quickly rose through the ranks. In 2004, at the age of 17, he made his first team debut for FC Barcelona, becoming the youngest player in the club's history at the time. In the years that followed, Messi became an integral part of the team, dazzling fans with his dribbling, precision, and goal-scoring ability. By 2009, he had won his first Ballon d'Or, an award given to the world's best football player. Messi's career at Barcelona was nothing short of legendary. Over the next 2 decades, he led the team to numerous victories, including 10 La Liga titles, 7 Copa del Rey trophies, and 4 UEFA Champions League titles. Individually, Messi broke countless records, including becoming Barcelona's all-time top scorer and the player with the most goals in a calendar year. His rivalry with Cristiano Ronaldo also captivated the football world, elevating the sport to new heights. In 2021, after spending his entire professional career at Barcelona, Messi faced a significant turning point. Due to financial constraints at the club, Messi was unable to renew his contract and tearfully announced his departure. He joined Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, in France, marking a new chapter in his career. Although the transition was challenging, Messi continued to prove his excellence on the field, winning trophies and delighting fans worldwide. While Messi achieved immense success at the club level, his journey with the Argentine national team was filled with ups and downs. He faced criticism for not winning major international tournaments despite his incredible talent. In 2021, Messi silenced his critics by leading Argentina to victory in the Copa America. It was his first major international trophy and a moment of immense pride for the nation. In 2022, Messi crowned his illustrious career by winning the FIFA World Cup in Qatar, earning the Golden Ball as the tournament's best player. This victory cemented his legacy as one of the greatest football players in history. Off the field, Messi is known for his humility and dedication to his family. He married his childhood sweetheart, Antonella Roccuzzo, in 2017, and the couple has 3 children. Messi is also actively involved in philanthropy, supporting children's health and education through the Leo Messi Foundation. Lionel Messi's story is a testament to the power of perseverance, talent, and hard work. From a small boy with big dreams to a global football icon, his journey inspires millions around the world. Vocabulary segment: humble, modest or not arrogant. Exceptional, unusually good, outstanding. Deficiency, a lack of something needed. Prestigious, respected, or admired. Relocate, to move to a new place. Integral, essential or necessary. Rivalry, competition between 2 or more people. Constraint, a limitation or restriction. Criticism, disapproval expressed in comments or opinions. Philanthropy, the act of helping others, often through donations or charity work. Lionel Messi's journey reminds us that dreams are achievable with determination and hard work. Who should we feature next in Famous People A to Z? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and English learning tips.